with camera's acting weird. Camera's acting very laggy for some reason. Yeah, it's weird. Feel like I'm on a weird delay. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know. Alright. So we're back to do some more sound stuff. I went back and listened. I think 20 to 18 is a good spot for volume for the game. So let's go back to the game. We are testing Fallout 76 at the moment. But my audio was super low, which is really weird. So right now our settings are at 0. We're at full decibel capacity in Streamlabs. In our filters, I have both gain and noise suppression. So we're just going to go ahead and raise the gain to 11. This is 11 right now. 11, me firing the gun, like I'm playing the. Oh, I probably have to do this from memory. Yeah, let's do this. Let's get the 44 out. I'm looking through Streamlabs at the moment. So yeah, if I'm playing the game, take that, you tree. Let's go grab this resin. Okay. So if this gets too loud, again, I apologize. These are tests that I will have to watch back later. I could listen through on headphones, but I like to hear the game sound with my sound. It's just easier for me to record it and then watch it, which is probably the harder way to do it. Alright, so this is 11. This is 11 with noise suppression on. So this is noise suppression on at -30 right now. Let's try noise suppression at -20. That's -20 noise suppression. And this is -10. Oh, no. -10 noise suppression. Ooh, event line in insanity. So that's what that is. Let's turn noise suppression back to -30. Let's turn it off. Turn game back on so you can hear me. Now we're going to go up to, let's go up to 13. We were at like 8.7, I believe, 8.6. So this is 13. We're at audio 13 now. So for playing, I am peaking big time on the meter. So 13, playing the game, shooting the gun, all the things. Okay, that's 13. This is 13 with noise suppression on. So this is 13 with noise suppression at -30. This is 13 with -20 noise suppression. So there's that. And this is 13 with -10 noise suppression. Hopefully those went through. Okay. Okay, next, I don't want to go much higher because I'm really close to peaking in the microphone. I don't want to get into the red. But just for the sake of doing that, we're going to turn noise suppression off. Go back to gain. Let's go up to 15. That's as high as I comfortably feel like going. So now we are at 15. We are peaking. We're in the red, so I don't like that. So if it sounds distorted, if it sounds awful, if it sounds bad, I apologize. If it doesn't, if it sounds good for some reason, then awesome. But this is how I'd be talking if we're playing. Maybe a little lower, because I don't like to talk very loud at night. So we better bow down to here. Pow, pow, shoot the gun, play the game. Let's try it with... noise suppression. Noise suppression -30. So this is noise suppression -30 at decibel 15 because the blue snowball just does not pick up well. Noise suppression at -20. This is noise suppression at -20. Hopefully it helps to drown out the PS4 being super loud. Or if I have my cooling fan on, because I need to turn that on soon. And then this is noise suppression at -10. So we'll see if that does anything. So these have been Blue Snowball microphone checks for the stream. I think I have the game where I won it. I think it's a -20. But I might go -18 depending on how the volume from me sounds. So that's all for this one. Much shorter, but to the point and succinct. So possibly be back again with another test. We're gonna get this right, or try to.